Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Barry Analytics. In this tutorial, we'll be going through a step-by-step guide on the category sales by week, detailed sales report, and the profitability report of a Barry Analytics reporting app. The first app that we will look at is the category sales by week. In this report, we are able to see all our categories, or as they're called in Barry Analytics, brands, their buyer, the target for the specified date range, and we can see what was made for those weeks. It is a simple to use report that shows you what brands or categories are doing well and which ones are reaching the targets. You are also able to customize the filters for the report, as you can choose between processed or received orders for the specified date range. You can choose the date range to whoever you wish. You can select a buyer, and you can filter out the brand. If you wish to export the data, you are able to do so by simply clicking on the export button. The second report that I am going to go over is the detailed sales report. In this report, you are able to see exactly how individual or multiple SKUs are performing on a graphical chart, as well as being able to compare them with each other. To do this, you have to select your filters and enter the SKUs of the products you wish to compare. Once you enter the SKUs and click on enter, you will be able to see a graph that compares the SKUs that you entered, and you can see how much revenue they bring in per day. The last report for this video is the profitability report. In the profitability report, you are shown a pie chart. This report shows you the figures of the profits and costs over a specified date range. As you can see, it shows you your costs such as tax cost and shipping cost. As well as costs, it shows you the amount of profit that has been made in that time. The date range is the only filter for this report, so you can stretch it for as long as you would like. In the top right, you can see a plus icon where it says add expense. If you have any other expense, all you have to do is click the plus button. After doing that, you'll see another plus icon at the top of the list. Once you click that, you can enter the expense name, cost, and whether it's per day, per month, or per year. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.